Barkley. I think you're seeing yourself, Barkley. That's Barkley. Bark. I just put the blind up. That's you. Barkley, come here. Come here, Barkley. Come here. Bark. What are you doing? You afraid of yourself? Whoa, there you are again. That's your reflection, Barkley. Barkley. You're barking back at yourself. Okay, look. Do you want to see it's okay? Everything's okay. What? That's you. That's you. You're there's your reflection. Good boy, that's you. That's okay, Barkley. Come here. Come here, Barkley. Come here. What? Go closer. Here, come here. Come closer. Good boy. Come here. Come closer. Come here. Over here. It's okay. Come on, look. Here, come here. Look. Come closer. Here. Look at this. Okay, you're good boy. You're trying. Here, look. What? Oh, you're sounding mean now. What? What, Barkley? I don't know how to convince you it's yourself. Come here, come touch it. It's okay. Come forward. Come here. Look. You're not thinking now. You're just scared. That's okay. It's okay to be afraid. What? Shh. Here, why don't you sit? Look at me. That's good. See, don't look at the glass. Come here, Barkley. Come here. Look. Here. Good boy. Good. You're not so scared. You're trying to guard the place, and you're guarding us against another Bernese named Barkley. Good boy. Good touching the glass. Good boy. See, it's you. Now your tail's wagging. Good boy, Barkley. That was good. Well, now you think it's not you again. Oh, you kissed yourself. That was cute. Barkley, you get an A+. You kissed yourself. Good boy. Oh, you're going to take a Kleenex box and rip it up now or something? Check out the plants. We're not usually out here at night like this, Barkley, without Chobi. Now, Barkley, come here. Walk over here for your mom and dad. Come here, Barkley. Barkley, show me how you walk. People say you walk like Dooley. Come here, Barkley. Bark. Okay, leave your image alone. Good boy. Come on, come here. Look, over here. Watch this. Come here. Good boy. Walk this way. That's good. Hi. How you doing? Listen, your fuzz on your head is very fuzzy tonight, Barkley. There, now you know it's you in the window. That was just silly. That was just a bit of fear. Little puppy looking at himself. Hey? Good boy. Yeah, it's good, Barkley. You figured it out. Good boy. That's you. Aren't you handsome? Good. Oh, you want to play with yourself? Well, that's a good thought, Barkley, but we can't do that. Good boy. Maybe you do want another Bernese in your life one day, eh? Is that what you're saying to Mom and Dad? Yeah, I want a baby brother, eh? Yeah. The boys are cuter, Barkley. That's the truth in your breed, I think. The boys are cuter. Come here, Bark. Come here. Show them your face. Now that we got you out here. Hey, you haven't done a crazy cookie routine for a little while. A silly cookie routine or a wild cookie routine, whatever you want to call it. Here, Barkley. Here, sit. Good boy. Watch me. Don't worry about your image. Here. You're very handsome. Show me the fuzz in your ears. There's Mr. Fuzzy. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. Okay, you're a good boy. You are good. Come here. Bye, handsome. Here you go. Here you go, buddy. That was good. Okay, good boy, Bark. Come here. Look, Barkley. You gonna walk again? You gonna walk like Dooley? They say you walk like Dooley. Hey? That's a good thing. Anything you do like Dooley is a good thing. We'll go with walk like Dooley. Okay, here, bud. You're going to keep an eye on yourself? Okay, the important thing, keep an eye on yourself. Good boy. Good.